Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 58 of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله يأمركم. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached. Nun gets a off. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. No, no, keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy, and lafz jalala will be heavy and will be 2 counts long. No, oh, ha is short. Yeah is very soft. For fatha open your jaws, attached with hamza. Hamza will get a sip of shidda, so the sound should cut off abruptly. Yeah, mu for the circle lips. Oro is heavy for the circle lips. The sound is very short. Kum for the circle lips. Attached meme gets it of the wasut. Kum. This is ikhfa, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time, and your tongue should be in a straight position because ta is among light letters. So to create light ikhfa, you are keeping the tongue straight. And tu, ta is very sharp, no flow of sound for the circle lips. Ad, hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal is sharp too. Ad, the sound cuts off very sharply. Dul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam gets of the wasut. Dul. A, hamza is very sharp. Ma, 2 comes long. Na, 2 comes long. T for kasra give e sound. E, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. La, mad, munfasil jaiz. 4 comes long. Ila. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. Li for kasra give e sound. Ha, 2 counts long. Wa for wow circle lips. Fatha open jaws. E for kasra give e sound. Hamza is very sharp. The 2 counts long. Ha from your throat for fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. Kam. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws attached with meme. We will get sifa of the wasut. Kam. Tum. This is Ikhfa Shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose because it has gunna too. Tum. Bay. This is lean, so you are making 2 counts long and make it soft. Bay. Nan. Open your jaws for fathan, then attach it noon, and noon will get unna. Nan. And then it is 2 counts long. Na. Si. And this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. And tah. Ta is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Tahku for the circle lips. Mul for the circle lips. No, it is 2 counts long. It is not attached with anything. So mu. Tahku. Mu, 2 counts long. Bil for kasra give sound and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Bil. Ad, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. And then you are giving just the wasut of lam because you are giving sakun here. Bil ad. Till dal, you're giving perfect qalqala, and just here you're changing something because of waqf, and what you're changing, you're removing this kasra and giving sukoon, and sukoon is calling only tawassut. So bil ad. In hamza is very sharp for noon, give gunna, for fatha open your jaws and then attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and it is always 2 counts long, and ha is very short sound. Inna allaha ni'ma ya'idukum bih. Inna allaha kana سميعا I'm